there, this is Elisa with WTI. Let me introduce you to one of my favorite dinnerware sets. This is by Famiware. This is the Saturn set and it's the 12-piece dish set. I love everything about it. I really appreciate how unique their design is. Every dish looks so appealing. I love the fact that it comes with the dinner plates, and I personally love using the salad plate to keep portion control. Even the messiest food looks so appealing on these plates. I appreciate their cone shape, which makes it very elegant, very modern, and it gives it this minimalist look. I also love the color. This is white with some speckled design, and I love the contrast with the stoneware at the bottom and the beautiful white on the top. These are dishwash safe, they're microwave safe, they're scratch resistant. This dinnerware set by Famiware would make the perfect gift. They have a variety of elegant and unique sets that you are going to love as much as I do. Famiware dinnerware sets are unique, modern, and stylish. I highly recommend them, and that is my point of view.